Welcome back to Proactive. I'm joined on the line now by the CEO of Helium One Global. It's David Minchin. David, great to have you on the line. You were hoping to use something called the Predator rig at your site in Tanzania, but now you're not going to. What happened?
Yeah, thanks, Tom. It's a little bit of a tale of woe. We obviously spent a lot of time looking at the Predator rig, preparing the third-party rig audit. We were progressing the export paperwork out of Kenya. However, at the 11th hour, a third party put a legal case in against the owner of the rig. Unfortunately, that has then tied the rig up in the courts in Kenya, and it would look like it was going to cause a delay to our mobilization. This is obviously, this type of case is very hard for a management team to predict, and you can't identify the occurrence of these black swan events in your due diligence. But this is where prudent operational planning comes into its part. We'd already been in discussion and conducting DD on the Exalo rig for a number of months. So we were able to rapidly advance those negotiations with Exalo and bring forward their mobilization date into Q1 of 23. This was actually our first choice of rig when we did our review back at the end of 2021, but it had been contracted for work elsewhere. So as such, we're delighted to be able to bring this rig back. We're delighted to be able to work with Exalo, who are one of the world leaders on onshore land rig operations. And yeah, it's a better rig, it's a better company, and we're delighted to be able to press ahead with the exploration drilling in Rukwa without any delays, and importantly, without any increase to the expected drilling costs.
Great. Now, you say that the Exalo rig is better. What's so good about it compared with the Predator?
So it's a larger rig. It's got a 1200 horsepower engine. It's in operation at the moment. It's already drilled to 3,500 meters at its current operations. So we know that it's in a strong working state. It has an active crew. Everything is working on it. So there was no need for the extensive audit process to understand the operational capability of the rig, because it's already operating. It breaks down into 28-ton loads, which makes it easily transportable by truck, and will allow us to rapidly mobilize it to site. Another nice thing about it is that it's also where the Baker Hughes equipment is already in operation. So we're able to mobilize the Baker Hughes equipment alongside the rig. So as soon as it's on site and the mast is up, we have all of the rig on site, all the services on site, and we're ready to go.
Mm-hmm. And you're still aiming to mobilize in the first quarter of 2023, is that right?
That's absolutely right. The rig will be released at the end of its current operations, which we anticipate to be before the end of this year.
All right. Now, you've just had the licenses renewed for that flagship site of yours. What does that mean for the company?
Yeah, so we've got all of our licenses renewed. Over 2,500 square kilometers we're in for renewal at this time. We've received those renewals in record time. That really demonstrates to us the fantastic support that we get from the government in Tanzania, where all levels of the government are aligned in helping to make sure that this project becomes a success for all of the stakeholders engaged. We have security tenure now over the majority of the fairway at Rukwa and Eyasi and Balangida, our 3 projects. And we're really looking forward now to getting our boots on the ground again, drilling our discovery well in Q1 of 23, which is the key to unlocking the entire Helium province. I mean, this is a vast province, a large license area, with unproven resources of high grade primary helium, which has got the potential to be a game changer for the supply starved helium industry. I'm beginning to let myself feel a little bit excited again. And yeah, we're looking forward to a very successful year and everything which comes with that.
Well, let me wish you the very best of luck, CEO David Minchin from Helium One Global. Thanks for joining me this morning.
Thank you very much, Tom. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Mine too. Take care.